Hello everyone, welcome to the Unsalted Kitchen channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade and easy tomato-based chicken afritada. Let's start with all the ingredients I will need to make this dish. First, I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup water, 1 teaspoon crystallized lemon powder, 1 tablespoon cocoa amomos in a small bowl and mix well to combine. Next, quarter 2 large potatoes, cut diagonally 4 to 5 carrots, half of 1 red bell pepper slice, 1 medium onion chopped, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1 pound boneless chicken thighs, and the liquid mixtures using cocoa amomos, water, crystallized lemon, and sugar, as you can see, and of course 2 small cans of NSA tomato sauce. NSA means no salt added. Let's get started. In a skillet on medium-high heat, first, sear chicken for about 10 minutes each sides with approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then place chicken on a plate with paper towel to drain excess oil, then set aside. Using the same pan, add a little bit more of olive oil, saute garlic, onions for 2 minutes or until onions are soft. Add and stir in the carrots, Cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so that the bottom doesn't get burned. Add a tablespoon of water if needed, but I usually just let the water steam drip down from the cover to the skillet when I open the lid. Then add potatoes, stir in a little, add the liquid mixtures, two cans of small tomato sauce, add 2 cups of water, stir the stews again. Don't forget to add white pepper to taste. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or until carrots and potatoes are tender. Cover it again and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add seared chicken. Let the mixture boil again and then reduce heat. Cover and let simmer, stirring occasionally for 20 minutes. Now that the chicken afritada is cooked, it is time to prepare the table for dinner. Everyone is having steamed rice. OMG, rice is life, yo. If you liked and enjoyed this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Thank you for watching my channel again. See you next time. Bye-bye.